Our website features a custom online gear reducer builder option, fully customizable for your needs. Before we build a custom gear reducer though, let's look at the Learn More option. This feature explains the different terminology you will need to understand to fill out the forms on our website. All important keywords are described to give you knowledge on what type of custom gear reducer you are building. Now let's get started and construct our own custom gear reducer. When you click on the Start Building button, you will have 3 options depending on what you need. The first set of questions will be different for each option. If you click the Motor plus Gear Reducer, you will be asked to choose what type of motor you are looking for. Using the search bar, begin to input information such as motor brand, amount of RPM, horsepower, and any other relevant information you are looking for in a motor. Choosing the Gear Motor option will provide you with a set of questions asking what motor module you are looking for. If you cannot provide a catalog number, you can fill out what horsepower and voltage your current motor runs on. The Gear Reducer option will ask you much of the same questions, except it will want to know the frame size your motor is. Next, you will choose the nominal ratio and the number of hours per day your motor is performing for. In the following screen, you will choose what type of mounting your motor requires as well as the positioning of the motor. You will notice pictures will appear for both options as a visual reference. The summary on the side will fill out throughout this process, summarizing all your information. At any time, you can click on the logos to change the information you have inputted. Once you click Build, the web app will produce your results with a picture showcasing your product, which will either contain a motor and gear reducer or just the gear reducer. As always, feel free to give us a call or use our web chat if you require further assistance. We are always available to help during normal business hours. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Please leave us a comment or follow us on social media.